Texas. Here's the proof. What are you doing? In the car, tucked in, so I could race. As you can see, they are very thorough. Day one, drag racing. So my first pass in qualifying, I was trying to be proactive and swapped out some sensors that go bad commonly, one of them being the wideband, and turns out the brand new one that I put in was defective. So I launched the car, it spun, and I tried to get back into it, and it kept cutting off because it thought it was leaner than it really was because of a bad sensor. So that was run one, no good. It ran like a 12, so obviously that doesn't do us any good. So we got a little bit of rain. I'm guessing it's gonna be a couple hours before it gets to run again, but kind of sucks. Oh well, life goes on. Round 2 qualifying was actually canceled, but round 3 qualifying, it spun off the line and went to the left, and I countered to the right and went into second gear, and then it went a hard right. Very interesting pass. I'm sure you guys will see the video, but a little bit scary. I got back into it and ran a 10.2. Second qualifying run, pretty sketchy pass, but made it to the end safely. Round 4 qualifying, not much better. I decided to do a longer burnout and roll it further down, and really felt the tires bite that time. And then I went to launch it, and it bogged pretty hard, so it didn't really want to launch very well. Didn't go anywhere. And then I tried to save the pass, and it didn't go into second gear. A lot of times with the stick car, if you spin too hard or if the conditions aren't just quite right, it makes it even harder to get into the next gear. So that might have been what happened, or just being nervous and missing it. Not sure which one, but either way, not a very good run. I just coasted the rest of the way, and as I was coasting down, it actually started drizzling, so there was a delay after that. So delays after delays is why we're not able to get as many qualifying runs as we can, but oh well, on to round 5. So it's Sunday, and there's one more qualifying run to do. They didn't get a chance to do it last night, a lot of breakdowns, and just took too long, so they moved it up to this morning. Hopefully with some luck I can put down a good run today and qualify in the top 16. If not, I will be in eliminations in the second class, which is 16 or 17 through 32. Haven't had too much luck, so either bogging or spinning hard or having to let out. But hopefully today, kind of got it figured out and put down a good run.
Japan, Vlad, you got this. Right lane,
Small problem in round one qualifying. I'm sorry, round one eliminations. I beat the other guy, but I don't think we're gonna make another round. That's a cracked transmission, guys. We are out. Unfortunately, that was the end of racing for me at TX2K. Even though I won my first round of eliminations, I wouldn't have had enough time to replace the transmission, even if I could find one locally at the track. They're very hard to come by these days. I do plan on rebuilding the current transmission. I'm gonna do a billet center case, which is the weak point and the part that cracked. Once I do that, I'll continue racing and chasing my goals. Thanks to everyone who was watching live feed and supporting me, and don't forget to subscribe.